I'm Chef Champion. Let's bring cooking back the way it used to be. Welcome to the new age of culinary learning. All right, so as promised, I'm gonna show you how to make a healthy cocktail. So I'm juicing about a pound of carrots. For a pound of carrots, you're gonna yield probably about 2 cups of actual liquid. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add in some of this freshly juiced carrot juice. We'll do 3 measures, which is 3 ounces.
Fresh is good. Fresh is good.
So then we're gonna add in 1 measure. Normally you would use traditional rum in this Jamaican Caramba, but I have a good friend over here in Wisconsin who makes this Heath rum toffee flavored. So this is gonna give it a little bit of a sweetness to it. We're gonna do 2 measures of that.
Sounds good.
That's 2 measures. So now we're gonna add in a little bit of freshly squeezed orange juice. And this is 1/4 of it, so this would probably be about 1.5 tablespoons. All right, so now then I'm gonna go ahead and add in juice from 1/2 of a lemon, or 1/2 of a lime. You can use lemon too as well if you want. All right, now it's time for the fun part. Go ahead and put that on there. Top that off. If you want to give it a good old champion shake.
Oh, yes.
Oh, yeah. And then you can go ahead and pour those right in. Nothing better than fresh juiced carrot juice with just a hint of rum. So the last thing we're gonna do to really set this apart is just a little bit of nutmeg, and we're just gonna sprinkle that right over the Caramba mix. Not too much, because nutmeg is pretty powerful. Well, cheers.
Cheers.
To champions versus champions. Thank you, Keo, for joining me this morning. I appreciate it. I'll make sure to come to one of your fights now since you came to one of my battlefields.
Appreciate it.
So don't forget, you guys always think positive when you're in the kitchen. Cooking should be fun, and you should love doing it. That's our show. We'll see you next time on Cooking Like a Champion. Should we have some more?